Hey, we have a Dahlih Vertical Machining Center, model MCV 1700, new in 2006, serial number 30010900239. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a Fanuc 21 IMB control, 32 tool ATC, 50 taper, Cat 50, box weighs. We're running right now. 750 in the low range. Large travels, 66.92, 31.5 by 31.5, the Y and the Z. Machine is also pre-wired for 4th axis. All right, we're in the high range now. We did a gear shift. What's the RPM? 1500. It goes up to 6,000 RPM. 3,500 RPM. All right. We're going to do a tool change. Again, it's a 32 ATC. That's your Y axis going up to do the tool change. All right. Okay. Do one more. Again, that's a 74.8 by 39.8 inch table. That's your Y axis. No, I'm sorry, Z. Z axis. X. And your Y. You've got telescopic weight covers for your steel weight covers on your X and Y, and you have the bellows on the Z. Again, thank you for watching our video. Oh, also we do have the enclosure. We don't have it on in our place to show demonstrating, and we do have a chip conveyor. Thank you.